Zimbabweans, something important has happened. A young man, young Hassan Matete, has taken the CAB3 fight to the High Court, and his application may have just changed the entire direction of this debate. Salam Damash congratulations young Zimbabwean forces CAB3 referendum debate back to the people. As Ziambi see 2/3 majority cannot replace the people. Ilikuwa subscribe like on the video like mashoko anauro ana challenge anaenda birachit at a time when the government seemed determined to push the bill through parliament and send it straight to the president, but it is asking a simple but powerful question. If the changes affect protected parts of the constitution, why should the people not be asked first in a referendum? That question matters because many Zimbabweans voted in 2023 with the understanding that the leaders they chose would serve until 2028. For ordinary citizens, that vote was not a blank check. It was a decision based on known rules, known timelines, and a clear constitutional order. If those same leaders now want to change the rules in a way that affects the length of office, the election cycle, or the future of parliament without going back to the people, then the public has every right to ask whether its vote is being respected or abused. This is why Mateti's application is so significant. It does not just challenge CAB3 as a political matter, it challenges the process itself. It forces the courts to answer whether parliament alone can alter parts of the constitution that may require direct public approval. In a plain language, it asks whether elected leaders can rewrite the terms of their own mandate without first asking the people who gave them that mandate. The timing is also striking. The government has clearly wanted to move this bill forward as quickly as possible, but now there is a legal pressure from more than one direction. That means the battle over CAB3 is no longer just about parliamentary numbers. It is now about constitutional discipline, public consent, and whether the law still belongs to the people or to those in power. Toma developments are pangwera. Pena section media of Uru Enyim to be pumps or pitch to page. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.